Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe. I'm back here with a new video and today's video is all about hair. It's been 2 years I haven't cut my hair. Last time I got asymmetrical bob and now I want a new haircut. Because of COVID, I don't want to go to any salon. So today I'm going to cut my own hair. Do you want to know how? Then keep on watching. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's snip. To get a new haircut, all I need white tooth comb, rat tail comb, scissor, clips, hairband, spray bottle. At first, I am removing all the knots from my hair with a white tooth comb. It has teeth that are spaced far apart and it is made mostly for getting out tangles. And I have wavy hair, so it helps me a lot. Next, I'm gonna dampen up my hair with some water from this spray bottle. Having it wet is gonna help with cutting it straight. And as I said before, I have wavy hair, so I need to straight before cutting. I don't wanna use any hair straightener, so yeah, it's simple. This bottle was a hairstyling product spray bottle and that's finished and I have poured some water into this. And yeah, I'm using it as a water spray bottle now. Now I'm combing my wet hair. Always use a white tooth comb for combing out your hair when it's wet. Wet hair is weaker and more vulnerable than dry hair, and if you use a white tooth comb on your wet hair, you will have fewer split ends. Next, I am flipping tangle-free hair upside down and collecting the hair into a high ponytail just above the center of my forehead. Then I'm checking that how much length I want to cut off. I don't want short hair, I want to keep the length long. So here I'm making the second hair tie to secure the hair. Making the third one to mark that line where I'm going to cut. Now I'm going to snip just above the third hair tie, and it's important to have sharp scissor. Cutting straight across. Yeah, I have done it and my hair is almost ready to go, but this is looking a little blunt, so I'm going to cut straight up into the end points. Point cutting will provide a softer, lighter finish to the ends. Now I'm going to untie my hair. And combing my hair again to make sure that all are good. Remember one thing, in this snipping process, if you feel that your hair is getting dry, please put some water on it. This is looking good, my hair is trimmed, but I want cotton bangs, so yeah. Now coming to the cotton bangs. I did the middle part before because I like in this way. It depends on you, you can go for side parts. Now I'm going to take the bangs back about 1 to 2 inches and taking it down to about the end of my eyebrows. Again, it depends on you that how thick you want your bangs. I'm securing rest of my hair with this cute clip. I'm going to do the same on the other side. To do this, I'm using hair rat tail comb. Its handle is thin and long. You can create and straighten the parts in your hair. Whether you want your part on the side or down, the middle, simply use the handle of the comb to do it. The comb section is usually fine-toothed, so it works perfectly whenever you need to make a part. Then comb the rest of your hair. Now I'm securing rest of my hair to take up all into a ponytail. You can clearly see that I have taken it down to the end of my eyebrows. Now I'm going to wet the hair in front of me with some water from the same spray bottle. I'm going to comb my hair in front of my face just like this. I'm taking the entire section. At this point, I have to decide that what length I want to cut. I'm starting off a little bit longer right under the nose. While you're cutting your hair, always keep your head straight. I'm tying the hair to make the snipping process easy. I'm going to cut across. I'm combing all the hair together. Now I'm parting the hair. And then going to hold the hair across the other side opposite of where the part is, and also gonna make sure that my fingers are parallel to the section up here. Getting something like this where it goes from short to long, and now I'm going to cut it into angle. Look at this, I have got a cute angle here. We'll do the same on the other side. It's done. I'm taking a strand from each side and making sure that they are the same length on both sides. Now I'm going to part it again and bring them all the way up to the top of my head and cut into the hair slightly to give them a soft, smooth look. Guys, I'm not a professional, so why am I doing this? Because I got bored with the same hairstyle and I wanted a new one. I'm doing my best here, so don't judge me. I think I have done a pretty good job here. What do you think? Now I'm going to untie my hair, combing very well. Now coming to the last snipping part. I'm taking the hair part of about a half of inch from the point where the bang ends, securing rest of the hair with this clip, otherwise it will be mess. So the parting is done. Now I'm going to secure all of my hair with the help of a rubber band. Taking like this and follow the fringe down to the bottom of my hair. I'm going to snip it very quickly to make it smooth. So here at this point my snipping part is done. I'm going to untie my hair. Now I'm applying a hair serum all over my hair and I'm going to blow dry. Here I have a round brush, so I'm just taking the hair like this and blow it downwards. Have you ever snipped your own hair at home? Please let me know in comment below. And yeah, this is the final look. Guys, honestly, this haircut has turned out pretty well. Personally, I really like the way my hair is looking right now, and I think cotton bangs look cute on everyone. So if you like, you can try on you. Cotton bangs look great with any hairstyle. It could be ponytail or hostel. Even it goes perfectly with buns. So that's it. That was the video for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.